Hi guys! Nandito po tayo sa BQO. Located pala to sa Bilar, Bohol. So ito guys, nag-order kami ng isang pork sizzling. Yan guys, i-mix-mix muna natin yung ating sizzling and lagyan natin ng lemon. So yan guys, yan yung pinili ng aking partner. At yung pinili ko din is yung sizzling Bicol Express. So pinamix ko lang yan ng mabuti para maluto yung itlog. And next is yung ating Bicol Express. Yan siya guys, sobrang sarap ng Bicol Express nila dito guys. Kaya binabalik-balikan namin to. So happy eating everyone! May isa pa kaming in-order guys, yung sotanghon, pero late na siyang dumating. Kaya yan muna yung kinain namin. Tignan nyo naman yan guys, sobrang init pa yung plate niya. And I'm with my partner. Kain po tayo guys. So ito na yung ating pancit sotanghon. So good for 2 person lang po to, to 3 person. So yan guys.